Looking for a simple dish to cook for dinner? Here is a simple fried fish recipe. So simple, so fast and so delicious. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 2 pieces of large Indian mackerel fish or ikan kembung. This weighs 650 grams. Half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of garlic powder, quarter teaspoon of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic. Start with marinating the fish with salt. Carefully sprinkle the small amount of salt on the fish. Rub it in between the cuts. Flip it to another side. Sprinkle the salt and repeat. Do the same for the stomach area. Okay, done for this fish. Next, repeat the same with the other fish. Alright, both fish are marinated with salt. See, all of the seasonings are on the plate. Mix all of it together until well combined. Okay, now we have turmeric powder mix. Next, rub the turmeric powder mix to marinate the fish in between the cuts. This fish is done. Next, repeat the step on the other fish. Alright, the fish is marinated and we can fry it now. I have prepared the hot oil in the frying pan. The oil is really hot. Let's put in the fish. Please be careful when putting the fish in the pan. Use the tongue to grab the fish while supporting it with the spatula. I can place another fish here on the other side. Once put it in, we can't move the fish until it is cooked and separated from the pan. Make sure to position it properly. Allow the fish to cook for 7 minutes. Try not to turn the fish before it is cooked or else it will break at the bottom of the pan. After 7 minutes, the fish is cooked. Slowly and use the spatula to move the fish and separate it from the pan. Once the fish is separated from the pan, flip it to cook the other side. Repeat the same with the other fish. Alright, flip both of the fish. Let it continue to fry for 3 more minutes. After 3 minutes, the fish are cooked and ready. Remove them from the hot oil. Rest the fish on the cooling rack here to drop off the excess oil. Use the tongue to pick up the fish from the hot oil and place it on the cooling rack. We will leave the fish here for about 30 seconds before transferring it to the serving plate. Switch off the heat. Next, sprinkle the crispy fried garlic on the fish and serve. This is best served with sambal belacan or shrimp paste chili dip. Let's eat. There is a darker color on the fish skin here as it is from the garlic powder and the heat. See, outside is crispy and the flesh is soft. Put a bit of belacan. Wow, so good and very delicious. This is best served with rice. Chill and crunchy cucumber with belacan really complement this fried fish. They go so well together. Lovely. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified on the next simple home cooked recipe. This is Home Cooking with Somjik. Thank you and bye-bye.